Hey guys, how's it going? Good morning from Yogyakarta. We've made our way over to the Pasar Burung, which is the bird market, and just this super huge. Hello, how are you? Good. Super huge open air market with just thousands and thousands of birds, and even cooler kind of than the birds, I think, are the cool cages that they're in. They're like the old style wooden cages that are pretty cool. But it's not just about birds. They got fruit going on and all kinds of great stuff. From what I understand, there's also snakes in here. So we will make our way around and try to look for some snakes. See how cool the old wooden cages are? So yeah, we'll stroll around for a while and see what the bird market has to offer. Oh, look at he's getting watered. He's getting his bath. It's good. He likes.
Yeah.
Got goldfish. I love these bird cages, man. They're so cool. Look at these. Oh, wow. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at this one. So beautiful. It's wood. It's all wood. All made out of wood, bamboo. Alright guys, from the bird market, if I run into anything super spectacular, we'll get back with you. 50 years, 50 countries. Yogyakarta, Indonesia. Love it, love Indonesia. Awesome place. Ooh, look at that guy. Ooh. That's an eel. That's a moray eel right there. Wow. All right, guys, I'm going to go search out snakes, see what they got. Maybe we can see a cobra. All right? See you, bye.